Construction cost overruns can turn a profitable project into a nightmare. But the good news is there are strategies to recover and even prevent these losses. Let's dive in. In the construction industry, cost overruns are all too common. Did you know that over 60% of projects face unexpected expenses? Common culprits include design changes, labor shortages, and material price fluctuations. But it's possible to recover and prevent these. Identifying the causes of overruns, design changes. When clients or stakeholders request last-minute changes, it adds labor and material costs. For example, a luxury condo project in Miami faced $300,000 in overruns when new design features were added mid-construction. Solution: ensure all stakeholders sign off on finalized designs before breaking ground. Labor shortages. Peak seasons in Florida often lead to higher labor costs and delays. A beach resort project lost $150,000 due to unavailability of skilled electricians. Solution: build flexibility into your labor schedule and contract experienced subcontractors early. Material delays and price hikes. Steel and concrete prices rose by 15% last year, disrupting project budgets across the state. Solution: consider price lock agreements with suppliers and maintain a list of alternative vendors. Mitigation strategies. Real-time cost tracking. Digital tools like Procore allow you to track expenses in real time, helping you identify budget issues before they escalate. Example: a hospital project in Orlando saved $50,000 by flagging unnecessary overtime costs early. Phased payments. Negotiate phased payments with suppliers and subcontractors to reduce upfront financial strain. Contingency planning. Always allocate 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected costs. For large-scale projects, consider project-specific insurance. Practical recovery strategies. Renegotiate contracts. If costs spiral, renegotiate with suppliers or seek discounts for bulk purchases. Tip: leverage strong relationships with long-term partners to secure better terms. Reallocate resources. Focus on completing high-priority tasks first to meet deadlines and reduce penalties. Example: a retail center in Florida recovered from a $200,000 overrun by switching to a local supplier and optimizing its labor schedule. Cost overruns are a challenge, but with the right strategies, you can recover and even avoid them in future projects. From real-time tracking to resource reallocation, proactive management is key. Struggling with a project overrun? Contact Estimate Florida Consulting for expert advice and solutions tailored to your project.